So my coworker put a meeting on my calendar over lunch, which is cool. It's perfectly fine. That's okay. But I had no time whatsoever to make anything. So I'm making this, but I'm not really making it, but I'm reheating it, if you will. So with no time to spare, I'm about to take this and jump on my call and stay on mute so I can enjoy my lunch quietly. Thanks, everybody. See you guys next time. Oh, also, I ordered this last night because in preparation of the snow that you saw in the beginning of the video. So that's why I've got pizza that I didn't make in the house because I ordered it last night so I can eat it for the next couple days because we have a bunch of snow outside. So have a great day, everybody. See you guys next time.